This chair will come to the exhibition called Future Makers. And so we are future makers, students are.
The chair that I ended up building is called Bloom. That chair is called Bloom because at the center of the chair you'll see the bloom of a mahogany seed. And the reason for this was that when I was researching mahogany, there's a very heavy and colonial history that's tied with mahogany. My inspiration behind this was I grew up with a lot of Ming Dynasty Chinese chairs. So those are the ones with like the curved back, right? And a lot of them, they had this gorgeous like detail on them, and I wanted that detailing. As well as for my own history, some of my relatives, like my grandpa and his grandpa, they were also carpenters. So I think it's so cool that I get to be able to showcase that for a bigger audience to see.
I think that's the most important part, to show the meaning of design. It's not just chair, it's carrying the meaning.